mountains with visions or dream I wish to fulfill. Fly like a bird, carry a home for search. Sit down on your perfect land and wish. A seed of hope, a seed of passion. Carry over place to find abundant land. And finally, a place with homecoming cheer wakens me to be here. Traveling far to be here, I know that I cannot take it for granted. Responding to a word from accepting earth, I know I must be more diligent. Grow on my stems and grow on my leaves, lest some shall awaken each and touch a spirit. I thank God and send the that I have been. With all the effort nature make, beauty soon would bloom.